Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 19th, Thursday morning, and grain markets higher here overnight. Corn 3 to 4 higher, beans 10 to 11 higher, wheat 3 to 5 higher here at the close of the electronic overnight session. Mainly, we're seeing risk-on type trading again here this morning. The money flow coming back into commodities, macro markets seeing some excitement there as the U.S. dollar index breaks the uptrend line and could cause some tailwind for some increase in prices in commodities. The European situation, IMF looking for $600 billion to support the funding of the economic situation of Italy, Spain, France, Ireland, Greece, as Greece especially comes up to their critical time period here, where if they get money and continue with the EU, or do they default on their loans? So that's ahead of us, but the markets could have had a lot of that type thinking already in the trade. So a reason why we're seeing some adjustment here, some profit taking in the short euro situation, which is causing the dollar to be under pressure here for the last few days. Other expectations are that China will ease their lending policy ahead of the holiday week, the end of the Year of the Dragon in China. That's coming up here starting Monday, so they'll be off next week. Anticipation, though, to make some changes ahead of that's also giving some reason for some pressure here in the dollar this morning. The USDA's weekly export data will come out tomorrow morning due to the holiday that we had just last Monday, so we won't have that information here today, but we've got a lot of other economic news coming out here this morning. We've got housing starts, we've got jobless claims, real earnings comes out at 7:30 as well, and then you've got EIA natural gas storage information coming out at 9:30, and at 10 o'clock you've got EIA energy stocks numbers that will be released. All those very likely could have an impact on traders' thinking and have an impact on grain prices as we go through the morning. Other news out of South America is the weather. Argentina's forecast is for more rain this weekend. Basically the same forecast as we seen yesterday, and should see some improvement in crop conditions there, and some forecasters are looking for a considerable amount of rain that may actually end the drought in most areas in Argentina this coming weekend. So that will be monitored very closely as we go into tomorrow and the end of the week. In the livestock trade, things are very quiet there as cattle trade overnight in the futures anywhere from 5 to 10 higher to 5 to 10 lower in the deferred contracts. And in the pork complex, we actually made some new highs of the move overnight and then settled back here, and actually right now we're trading anywhere from 10 to 20 lower in the hog futures. So could see some volatility there, but cutout values in the beef was a little higher or a little lower in the choice, a little higher in the select. Pork cutout values were higher also, and cash markets continue to stay firm in the pork. So look for some more volatility today. We see and expect this to continue. We also have a G20 meeting today, starting in Mexico and running through tomorrow. So that will be watched very closely, as it's believed that the IMF is going to be going to the G20 and saying, I need this money to save the pigs, and that will be critically important as we go into the weekend. So a lot of things happening here in the futures market this today and into tomorrow. We also got a lot of things happening here at Allendale. We've got the Allendale conference coming up tomorrow, starting at noon at registration, 1 o'clock, the first presentation start here in Crystal Lake, Illinois at the Holiday Inn. We look to have you there. We still got some seats available, and we'll certainly find you a room, as the Holiday Inn is booked up at this point in time. So don't worry about that. Just give us a call, 800-262-7538. We'll help you get here. We think it's definitely going to be worth your while, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And we wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.